This is another motorcycle from QJmotor. This time we got a town scooter of 125 cubics that looks that it's a fine bike for everybody who wants to move inside the city. So we are going to speak about this motorcycle on details.
Caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm bad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
What we got in this scooter? Let's speak about it. We got a single stand, we got a double stand, we got very big handles for the second rider, and the top box is standard. Okay. We got a hook here, we got of course a floor to put things, there is a plug here, and of course this bike is keyless, and we got this system in case that you don't have battery, so you can use it like a key, like a normal key. Now I can open the fuels from here, and I can open the saddle from here. That inside the saddle we got a lot of space. We can put easily a full face helmet, and we got a bit of space that remains. For sure, at least this is my opinion, we cannot put inside this saddle two full face helmets, but it's okay, I believe, for this category. So the LCD screen now is got all things that we need. You got a volt, we got kilometers, we got clocks, we got fuels, we got temperatures, we got many bliblika. It's lovely. Also, this bike is start-stop. Let's see now how I'm feeling on it. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I feel comfortable. I have daylights, I don't have a big windscreen to protect me, I got a good view back from the mirrors, and there is something strange. I am moving like this easily in the saddle. The material is little bit, I don't know, I am moving, and also at the time that I am braking, I am moving like this. Anyway, we take outside the footrest. And let's see now with Georgia. Georgia, please. You will do now acrobatic. You pass your leg up from the top box.
Hui.
Yeah! Georgia Ninja!
Ninja!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
Oh.
Not ninja.
Be gentle, be gentle.
This Chinese bike. This is Shaolin. Oh! Oh! Kung Fu.
Be gentle, yes. Bravo.
Anyway, how you feel, Georgia?
Well, it's okay. It's a little bit small, the seat, but it's okay. Has nice handles. For the category, it's very nice. The footrests are okay.
So do you think that you can move inside the city, because this bike is for inside the city, easily?
Of course.
So we can go?
Where are we going? No, we don't have helmets on.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Don't you worry. I will close it.
Close it.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Okay, I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I'm not protected at all, and let's start the engine. That sounds nice, and let's move as we do inside the city and change direction. We are in the Technical University of Chania and we are moving easily. The brakes now are fine for this bike, and the performance I can say that it's good for 125 cubics. This is a live enough engine for 1 or 2 persons inside the city and a bit outside of it. It's 125 cubics with 4 valves and a radiator that is here. It's not front, it's here by the side. It's produced 15 horses at 8,500 RPM and 12 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Its economical engine by the book needs 2.2 liters gasoline per 100 kilometers and it's got the tank of 7.8 liters. Okay. This bike, it's a light one, is 136 kilos with all the liquids on it. So, I'm very positive to the engine. Now, front, we got a telescopic fork, typical, with a 1 point, and we got a 2-piston brake and 2-channel ABS. Back, we got a single piston brake, and we got 2 adjusters that you can control them. The braking of this bike, I consider it that it's good, and for sure the rider feels safe on it. Quality, what I don't like from the start, this. You are sitting on the saddle and you are going front and back. This. It needs something. It's not okay. Plastics now. More than good. Soft, very soft. Paint, lovely. So, I don't like the saddle at all. But the rest of the bike, now that I see it, that is a brand new with 0 kilometers, looks fine. I like so much the paint. It looks fat paint. Nice. And I like these stickers. It's good enough. Of course, this one, it's a sticker that is going to remove from the bike the second time that you will wash it. But this is the main sticker. So, my opinion for this bike, now that I see it, is that it's a good made bike. Also, one small detail is that all this black looks like a digital screens. They got a shadow inside of something, and this is a very elegant detail. You cannot understand it till you will see it. Here the door of the USB. It's okay, we got 2 USB ports. Lovely. Georgia.
Yes.
I believe that this is a nice scooter for inside the city.
Yes, exactly.
I don't like the feeling of the saddle.
At all.
And if that scooter was mine, for sure I need a windscreen, a windshield front. Otherwise, I have a lot of space for 125 cubics down of the saddle. I got this top box, I got the hook, I got all this technology with the start, stop and the keyless and etc. And I like it. I have good lights. And let's see, the tires are new. The tires are new, are soft. Okay, so it's cornering nice, it's braking nice. And I consider us a safe and good enough bike for inside the city. What is your opinion?
I have exactly the same opinion. Also with it's a little bit stretchy here. That's why you go. It's stretchy. But the other bike is ideal for the town.
The design?
The design, it's
a 1000% Japanese design. This is not Chinese design, this is not Italian design, this is 1000% Japanese design.
I don't know, it's a scooter to me.
Yes, it's a scooter. So, finally we consider it as a good choice for inside the town, only for inside the town.
Yes.
Only for inside the town. And the fact is that it's also a bit alive, the engine. Yes. It's not on 12 and a half horses, it's in 15 horses and it's alive, I consider. It's a nice engine for the town. Yeah?
Yes, it's I think the acceleration and the speed is okay.
Η ομοιομορφία των σκούτερ με το αστικό περιβάλλον όπως προκύπτει μέσα από προηγμένη κατάσταση της ανθρώπινης διαβίωσης επί του αστικού κύκλου δύναται να ενισχύσει τη δυνατότητα ημών όπως πορευόμαστε και κυκλοφορούμε επ' αυτής της αστικής κλίνης. Όταν δε Το σκούτερ χαρακτηρίζεται υπεράνω κυβισμού των 125, δύναται να εξέλθει αυτής της κλίνης και να πάει στο ευρύτερο περιβάλλον. Ως εκ τούτου θεωρώ ότι φιλοσοφικά τα σκούτερ ανήκουν στην πόλη.
Φιλοσοφικά.
Ναι. Τσουτσούριασες.
Ναι.
Για να δω.
Να.
Το είδα.
Έχει
πράγματι.
πολύ ζέστη, γι' αυτό δεν ανέβηκε.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia
And this is Ioannis.
for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Real life
reviews.
reviews.
Real life.
Yes.
Real life.
That's why he is here.
The beast and the beauty. A beast. A beast. Ah.